Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and we're gonna talk about altcoins today. When can we expect an altcoin season and what we can expect in coming months for all the altcoins in general, and then we will go through some of the altcoins over here, and then we will analyze the charts and see what we can expect in coming months and coming weeks. So guys, this one is it's one of the most important charts I'm looking at every single day. This is the total 3 divided by Bitcoin. This is really important. That why these charts are important, because that we need to know if all the crypto assets excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, if they are performing well against Bitcoin or not. As you can see in this chart, all the assets, as all the altcoins overall, it's not performing well against Bitcoin from since 2022 till today. It's making lower lows and it's trending down. So it's always good idea to hold Bitcoin in these kind of conditions. Of course, this is an altcoin season, as you can see here. Let me try to get the brush so I can draw it down. This is an altcoin season. This is an altcoin season. This is not an altcoin season, and I know all the influencers on YouTube, they're saying that we are in altcoin season and we are in altcoin season. They have been calling for the altcoin season for many months, and still we haven't got an altcoin season yet. Everyone's getting disappointed, losing money over and over again. So the best thing what you need to do is that right now is best to stay on Bitcoin, because overall the market is the altcoin market is trending down against Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is, if you hold Bitcoin, you will be able to make more money. And the other thing I would like to know, that let you know, this chart, you can use it as a normally Bitcoin pairs, usually it goes within the range. You have the high, you have the low, so it's best to buy in this low, and once it goes to this high, you sell, or convert your altcoins to Bitcoin or keep fiat. I think the best thing to do is like send it to Bitcoin, and once the simple trade over here is that once it hit this level, you convert your Bitcoin to altcoins, and once it hit here, then you convert your altcoins to Bitcoin. So vice versa. Range lows, range highs. So every 4 years, every time when we get a bull market and a bear market in the Bitcoin pairs, it's always good to accumulate here all the altcoins and convert back to Bitcoin or go back to fiat over here. So this chart is really, really important, guys, and this is one of the charts I'm always keeping in mind, and I'm always looking at it to see if altcoins have reached the bottom. So I don't think the altcoins has reached the bottom yet. As you can see, in 2017 altcoin season, just before the altcoin season started, it hit the bottom and then shoot up. Couple of 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of gains, huge amount of gains, but it has to hit this level first. It's the same in 2020. It hit the range lows and shoot up. Some weeks of really strong movement to the upside. So this is why the altcoins are still, I don't think it's interesting right now, as long as it hits this level on the bottom. So till then, it's always better to be on Bitcoin. And I would like to see, as you can see, in November to December 2014, we had a rally, and we had a rally in January, we had a rally in March, we had a rally in April, and the high was in May 6th, and then it made a new low in June. So I would like to highlight these areas, because I think they're really, really important for us to identify and to make our trading plans according to the previous data. We had a low in November, we had another low in April, we had another low in June, and we had another low in November. So remember these days, guys: November, April, June, November. And this trend is kind of repeating almost every year. And as you guys can see, we have a similar pattern over here. This is in November, April, June and November. And with this we have this low in June, this October, November. We had this low in April, and we have a low in January. So guys, when you look at this areas, right, so this is November. I'm gonna write it down N for you so you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. This low was in June. This low was in April. And this was low was in November again. And this was in June. And April. So as you guys can see over here, we made in 2003 till all these years, lows has been made in April, June and November. April, June and November. April, June and November. So these things you need to keep in mind when it comes to accumulating altcoins, because I think right now we have made another low right now in April, and probably we'll have a rally till June, and then in June we will probably make a low again in June. I would say May will be rallying, and then June we might have a bottom, and then we'll again rally till the rest of the year, and then again in November time frame, when we come to the November time frame, we'll have a low. And I think that's where we're gonna start our altcoin season, and then probably we'll go to this highs again. So till then guys, I don't think maybe I could be wrong, I don't have a crystal ball, but these are the evidence I have been looking at, and there's definitely a clear pattern over here. When you're looking at the charts and when you look at the lows, it has been making nothing but lower lows over last, I don't know, since 2022, making lower lows. So that's why this chart is really, really important. That's why I keep in mind, and I'm looking at these charts every time, and trying to stay away from altcoins, because I think it's just bleeding back till we hit this level, and I think this level would be the best time to accumulate altcoins. And I think probably it will hit around November, and then we will have a really fast rally, really big rally till December, January next year, and then probably we'll start a bear market in 2026. So that's my plan guys. I'm not accumulating altcoins a lot. I did accumulate some altcoins and some time ago, and I think probably really low levels, and some of the altcoins are doing pretty good, some of the altcoins are not doing pretty good. So that's why we don't know which altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin. It's only handful of altcoins did really well. For example, Solana did really well, XRP outperformed Bitcoin, and only few of them did. And the other altcoins, we don't know. Most of the altcoins that we are on, we don't know if it's gonna. They haven't outperformed Bitcoin. So that, as you can see in the charts, as an average, you can see altcoins are making lower lows and trending down till we hit this level. And guys, very important chart. Keep in mind, and don't sleep on this chart. I think and I think understanding this chart will help you to make a lot of money in crypto, and also like analyzing your crypto portfolio according to Bitcoin, and all the altcoins analyzing according to Bitcoin will help you to navigate crypto much better. I know I was the same. I was looking at just a bit all the altcoins compared to USD, like a normal USD pairs, and I was missing a lot of information, and I was pretty much missing everything to do with opportunity costs. For example, if I have $1,000 on Bitcoin in 2022, and I would have 6x my money. And right now, if I put on the altcoin, for example, let's see, Cardano performed really pretty good. If you catch the bottom to the top, it did 300%. This is 27 till, yeah, it did 300%, 3 times of the money. But Bitcoin has done 6x from the bottom, so which means it outperformed, the Bitcoin outperformed Cardano and many other altcoins. So it's very important to stay on Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin doesn't sound interesting, and everyone wants to make a lot of money on crypto. Right now Bitcoin is not interesting. The good thing of what you need to understand is that you stay on Bitcoin as much as you can. Once you hit the level on once we hit the level on the Bitcoin pair, altcoin total 3 market cap on the bottom, the ones I showed you before, that's the time you convert your Bitcoin into altcoins, because till that time there will be upside on Bitcoin, and you will be able to capitalize on it. You'll be able to make more money on it, and then convert that into altcoins, and then you'll even make more money. For example, let's see you have $1,000, and from now this time to November, or maybe till we hit the bottom of the total 3 market cap, Bitcoin did 20%, then you have more 20%, extra 20% cash to buy more altcoins. So that's why this is really important, because as you can see, altcoins as overall is going down. So buying altcoins right now, or maybe in a couple of months later, you'll be only losing money. Right? On the other hand, you'll be able to make money once you hold in Bitcoin, and then once you hit the bottom, then you convert the Bitcoin into altcoins. I would like to go through some charts today and analyze what can we expect in coming months and coming days for altcoins. And I think I did a really lengthy video on Ethereum. I analyzed the charts, and if you haven't watched that, just watch it and get some idea and where to accumulate. I went detailed I give detailed information about this analysis and what we can expect in Ethereum, and once it broken, where can it come down and test. As you can see over here, it made a lower low here, made a lower low, and this lower low, the high is broken and made a new high, and then this could be a trend reversal, and Ethereum should come down here to this level. I don't know, probably to this level, test it, 1,500 to 1,300 level, or maybe a little bit higher. Maybe you can draw the Fibonacci extension. Usually it comes down to the golden pocket area, 1,500, and then continue up. But we don't know when that's going to happen, but that's why it's really important for us to be patiently wait for an entry rather than chasing the tops. It's never a good idea. So if you haven't watched this video, just please refer it back to my previous video and have a look at it. And I would like to analyze Dogecoin. It's a really interesting chart. Right now we haven't had anything lately. Still it's on a downtrend since December 2024. It's going down ever since, and we have made a lower low here. We have made a new lower low here, and this lower low has to break. The lower lows and the lower high has to break, and candle has to close above let me draw a box about this area to get a confirmation, the bullish confirmation to the upside. And guys, today is Sunday, and one of the most important charts that you need to have a look at is Bitcoin. Over here I analyze the charts, and today we're gonna have a weekly candle close above this area, because this is the choice. As long as a weekly candle close above this area, we are flipping bullish, and then we will and then Bitcoin has reversed the trend. The downtrend has reversed, and then we will start trending upwards. So this is a really important candle, and I think a couple of hours left for the weekly candle to close, and probably we will close a weekly candle, a green weekly candle above this area. And yes, it is a huge move from the bottom. I would say it's around 26, let me see, yeah, 26, 27, 28% move from the bottom. And right now chasing the tops are never a good idea. So this is my box. This is where I'm waiting to buy more Bitcoin, and I will start accumulating more Bitcoin. Plus I was opening some trades around this area and putting the low, putting the stop loss here and letting it ride till 120, 130k. This could be a great opportunity if the price come back down to these levels, guys. This could be a great trade. And 420k could be a 1 to 4 risk reward trade, guys. I think it's a great trade, and this is what I'm waiting for. I will just wait the price to come down. I know the price is gonna come down. There should be so much liquidity in the bottom, so the price should come down, take the grab liquidity, and then move up. So I'm just waiting for this move, and today the weekly candle is gonna close, and then we are ending this downtrend trend, and then we are continuing with the upward trend. It's just a short reversal. Usually Bitcoin come down to this level, the 2020, the previous year's high, test it and go up, but this year I haven't tested. It came so close, and then continue up. I think we have retraced back almost 30% on Bitcoin. And guys, if you look at the other charts, Bitcoin has retraced 70%, Cardano has retraced 60% from the February, December high. Ethereum has retraced 60%. Solana almost $300. Yeah, 60%. Almost all the top 10 has retraced down to 60%, and then I think probably the lower caps, and they got hammered, probably 70-80% down. Ondo 60%. Ondo is keeping pretty tight. XRP 53%, holding pretty well. Chainlink 67%. Pepe probably 70 to 80%. Yeah, 80% down. Uni 70% down. Algorand. So this is what I'm talking about in the in the earlier today, because as long as you hold Bitcoin, the Bitcoin went down only 30%, and then if you holding other oil coins, you are down 80 to 70, 80, sometimes 90%. So that's a huge difference, guys. So this is why it's always good to hold Bitcoin as till the Fed has changed the fiscal or the monetary policy. As long as Fed keeps its interest rates tight, and as long as they keep on hiking the rates and also keeping the quantitative tightening, the risk assets will bleed against Bitcoin. So it's always better to be on Bitcoin. Cardano, we had a look the other day, and I would like to give a short feedback of what we can do. Look on Cardano. It has changed the character. It has made a choice. This is a boss, break of structure, lower low, and then this is the high of the lower low, which is a the lower high. It has broken. This looks good. The chart looks good. It's flipping bullish now. This is Josh. So I would expect the price to come down to these areas before it continue up. If you're thinking how I'm drawing these boxes, I usually take the Fibonacci extension and draw from low to high and take the 60%, 618, or you can use 618 to 0.5. It could come down to this area before it goes up. And this is really important, guys. And when you're making trades, you just, rather than jumping in over here, you just wait for a retrace, get back here and let it ride, and make sure you keep the stop loss here. I think Cardano will do really well in this all season, incoming all season. I don't know when that's gonna be, but it will do really well. Solana also has made a choice over here. This is a break of structure, lower low, lower low, and this is a lower high. Lower high is broken, and the price should come down around this area as well before it continue up. The golden pocket should come down to $126 to $95 before it continue up. There's so much liquidity here, so many orders laying down, so probably it will come down, test, and then continue up. Yeah, thank you guys, and I analyzed some charts, and I hope you learned something from this video. I hope the idea I gave you from about total 3 divided by Bitcoin, I hope it will be helpful for you, and make sure you have that chart saved in somewhere, because I think it's a really important chart that every trader, everyone who's interested in crypto should have. And it's always good to be on Bitcoin till the monetary policy is changing, till the QT is continuing, and as soon as even the QT continues, for sometimes the market will bleed, and then the momentum will pick up. I think it will take some time. You need to keep an eye on that charts. Once it hit the bottom, start buying, converting your Bitcoin into altcoins, and then let it ride. Once it hit the top, just sell it and get out. And if you want me to analyze any other charts, just let me know. Please write down on the comments, and I'm more than happy to analyze the charts and give you my perspective on it. Of course, I don't have a crystal ball. I have been trading for like a couple of years now, 4 to 5 years now, and I have some knowledge about crypto and technical analysis. I'm following the SMC strategy, which is a smart money concept. So, and the strategy is supposed to work. It has a higher tendency to be profitable, so that's why I'm using this strategy. And if you have any questions, please write down on the comments below, and please like and subscribe and support my YouTube channel. I just recently started, and I want to share with everyone my knowledge and the wisdom I have gathered over the years. So I just want to share with everyone. And if you're a beginner trader, just come join with me in trading, and we will hopefully make some money together, and then share the success stories. And guys, thank you very much. Take care till the next video. Bye bye.